Hey, I want to have a conversation about full self-driving. I'm currently driving in full self-driving, and I'd like to talk about it.
Oh, I see. That's quite interesting. Since you're experiencing full self-driving firsthand, I'd love to hear more about your thoughts and observations. How has your experience been so far? Are there any particular aspects of the technology that have impressed you or that you have concerns about? Let's chat about it.
My only concern is around areas with construction. My car handles it pretty fine on a normal city road, but on a highway, it seems to struggle just a little bit. I'm hoping that there's an update.
It's understandable to have concerns about navigating through construction zones, especially on highways where conditions can be more complex. While full self-driving technology has made significant advancements, it may still encounter challenges in such situations, such as temporary lane closures, changing road layouts, or unpredictable obstacles. Companies developing autonomous vehicle systems are continually working to improve their algorithms and sensors to better handle these scenarios. They rely on data collected from real-world driving scenarios, simulation testing, and feedback from users like you to enhance the technology's performance. In the meantime, it's essential to remain vigilant and ready to take over manual control if the situation requires it, especially in challenging environments like construction zones. Your feedback and experiences are valuable for further refining and improving full self-driving systems. If there are specific issues you encounter frequently, providing feedback to the developers can help them prioritize improvements in those areas. Overall, as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see improvements in handling various driving scenarios, including construction zones, to enhance safety and reliability. If you have any specific observations or experiences you'd like to share about navigating construction zones with full self-driving, I'd love to hear them.
Do you know what the difference between the full self-driving city stack is and the highway stack for Tesla?
Yes, Tesla uses different software stacks for handling driving in urban city environments versus highway driving. 1. City Stack. The City Stack is optimized for navigating through urban environments, which typically involve slower speeds, complex intersections, traffic lights, pedestrians, cyclists, and other obstacles commonly found in city streets. It's designed to handle various scenarios encountered in city driving, such as making turns at intersections, navigating through traffic, recognizing and responding to traffic lights and stop signs, and safely interacting with other road users. The City Stack prioritizes close-range perception and precise maneuvering, focusing on safety and efficiency in densely populated areas with frequent stops and starts. 2. Highway Stack. The Highway Stack is tailored for driving on highways and freeways where driving conditions are typically more predictable, with higher speeds and fewer complex maneuvers compared to city streets. It's optimized for tasks such as lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, lane changes, merging onto and exiting from highways, and maintaining safe distances from other vehicles at highway speeds. The highway stack may rely more on long-range perception and maintaining a consistent speed and trajectory, with less emphasis on close-range interactions with pedestrians and obstacles. Tesla's approach involves continuously updating and refining both the city stack and the highway stack through over-the-air software updates based on real-world data, user feedback, and advancements in AI and machine learning. By using specialized software stacks for different driving environments, Tesla aims to optimize the performance and safety of its full self-driving technology across a range of scenarios encountered in urban and highway driving.
So, when was the first highway stack introduced? And when was it used by other people, I guess, in the real world?
Tesla introduced the first version of its highway autopilot system in October 2015 with the release of software version 7.0. This initial version included features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automated lane changes on highways and limited access roads. While this version laid the foundation, for highway driving automation, It was not a fully autonomous system and required driver supervision and intervention. Over the years, Tesla has iteratively improved and expanded its highway autopilot capability, introducing enhancements such as Navigate on Autopilot 2018, which enables automatic lane changes, highway interchanges, and off-ramp navigation. The development and deployment of Tesla's highway stack have progressed alongside advancements in autonomous driving technology and regulations. While the highway stack has been used by Tesla owners in the real world since its introduction, it's important to note that full self-driving capabilities, including city driving and more complex scenarios, have been gradually rolled out through Tesla's full self-driving FSD beta program, which began in late 2020. The FSD beta program allows a limited number of Tesla owners to test pre-release versions of the full self-driving software, including both city and highway stacks in real-world driving conditions. These beta testers provide valuable feedback to Tesla, which is used to refine and improve the technology before broader releases to the general public. Overall, the introduction and adoption of Tesla's highway stack represent significant milestones in the development of autonomous driving technology, paving the way for advancements in highway automation and laying the groundwork for future full self-driving capabilities.
So in the Tesla autopilot under the full self-driving, what is the difference between chill mode, average mode, and assertive mode?
In Tesla's autopilot system, the terms chill mode, average mode, and assertive mode refer to different driving profiles or settings that adjust the behavior of autopilot's driving characteristics, particularly regarding lane changes and following distances. These settings allow drivers to customize their autopilot experience based on their preferences and comfort level. 1. Chill mode. Chill mode prioritizes smoother, more relaxed driving behavior with gentle acceleration, deceleration, and lane changes. In chill mode, autopilot may be more conservative in its driving decisions, favoring smoother transitions between lanes and maintaining a greater following distance from other vehicles. This mode is suitable for drivers who prefer a more leisurely driving experience or want to minimize abrupt maneuvers. 2. Average mode. Average mode represents a balanced approach to driving behavior, providing a mix of comfort and efficiency. In this mode, autopilot aims to maintain a moderate pace and following distance while still making timely lane changes and adjustments as needed. Average mode is a common choice for everyday driving situations, offering a good balance between comfort and responsiveness. 3. Assertive mode. Assertive mode emphasizes more assertive driving behavior with quicker acceleration, deceleration, and lane changes. Autopilot in assertive mode may be more proactive in navigating traffic, making more decisive lane changes, and adapting to changing road conditions more assertively. This mode is suitable for drivers who prefer a more dynamic driving experience or want autopilot to respond more assertively to traffic conditions. These driving modes allow Tesla owners to tailor their autopilot experience to their personal preferences and driving style. It's essential for drivers to understand the differences between these modes and select the one that best suits their needs and comfort level. Additionally, drivers should always remain attentive and ready to take control of the vehicle, as autopilot is not a fully autonomous system and requires driver supervision at all times.
Do the different modes dictate how much power is being consumed by the car?
The different driving modes in Tesla's autopilot system, such as chill mode, average mode, and assertive mode, primarily affect driving behavior and responsiveness rather than directly influencing power consumption by the car. However, the driving style associated with each mode may indirectly impact energy usage in certain situations. 1. Chill mode. Chill mode is designed to prioritize smoother and more relaxed driving behavior, which may result in more gradual acceleration and deceleration. In general, smoother driving tends to be more energy efficient, as it minimizes rapid changes in speed that can increase energy consumption, especially in electric vehicles like Tesla's. 2. Average mode. Average mode represents a balanced approach to driving behavior, providing a mix of comfort and efficiency. While it may not be as aggressive as assertive mode, It still aims to maintain a reasonable pace and responsiveness, which can impact energy consumption to some extent. 3. Assertive mode. Assertive mode emphasizes more assertive driving behavior, with quicker acceleration, deceleration, and lane changes. While this mode may result in more dynamic driving performance, it can also lead to higher energy consumption, particularly during aggressive acceleration or frequent lane changes. Overall, while the driving modes themselves do not directly dictate power consumption by the car, the driving behavior associated with each mode can influence energy usage to some degree. Drivers can optimize energy efficiency by selecting a driving mode that matches their driving conditions and preferences, while being mindful of how their driving habits may impact energy consumption. Additionally, factors such as speed, terrain, weather conditions, and vehicle load also play significant roles in determining energy usage in electric vehicles like Teslas.
What mode would you pick if you were driving?
As an AI, I don't have personal preferences or driving experiences, so I don't have a mode preference like a human driver would. However, I can offer some considerations for selecting a driving mode based on different situations. 1. Chill mode. If you prefer a more relaxed and comfortable driving experience with smoother acceleration and gentler maneuvers, chill mode may be suitable, especially for casual or leisurely drives. 2. Average mode. For everyday driving situations where you want a balance between comfort and responsiveness, average mode can be a good choice. It provides an...
Instead of talking about driving
You're welcome.
modes...
If you have any more questions or if there's anything else I can assist you with, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
Oh my gosh, I just butchered this. Why is it that sometimes you have glitches in your voice?
Glitches in my voice can occur for a few reasons. 1. Processing delays. Sometimes there may be processing delays, especially during periods of high demand or when the system is experiencing heavy load. This can cause delays in generating responses or glitches in the voice output. 2. Connection issues. If there are network or connectivity issues between your device and the server, it can result in glitches or interruptions in the voice output. 3. Technical limitations. While I strive to provide smooth and natural sounding responses, there may be occasional technical limitations or imperfections in the speech synthesis technology that lead to glitches or artifacts in the voice. Overall, glitches in my voice are rare, but they can occur due to various factors. If you encounter frequent glitches or issues, it may be helpful to check your network connection and try refreshing the page or restarting the application to see if that resolves the problem. If the issue persists, feel free to let me know and I'll do my best to assist you further.
So now that we have made our destination, my question is, I'm trying to find a laptop specifically for a school use case, and I have about $400. What do you think the best laptop I should buy is?
With a budget of around $400 for a laptop intended for school use, you have several options to consider. Here are a few suggestions. 1. Chromebook. Chromebooks are lightweight, affordable laptops that run on Google's Chrome OS. They are well suited for school use as they provide access to Google's suite of productivity apps such as Google Docs, Sheets, and Classroom, and have long battery life. Some recommended models within your budget include Acer Chromebook Spin 311, Lenovo Chromebook Flex 5, HP Chromebook 14. 2. Budget Windows laptop. You can also find budget-friendly Windows laptops within your price range. Look for models with decent performance and battery life. Here are some options to consider. Acer Aspire 5, Lenovo IdeaPad 3, HP 15 laptop. 3. Refurbished laptops. Consider purchasing a refurbished laptop, which can offer better specifications or features for the same budget. Websites like Amazon Renewed, Best Buy Outlet, and Newegg have a selection of refurbished laptops from reputable brands. When choosing a laptop, consider factors such as processor. Look for at least an Intel Core i3 or AMD Ryzen 3 processor for decent performance. RAM, aim for 4 GB or 8 GB of RAM to ensure smooth multitasking. Storage, opt for at least 128 GB of storage, SSD preferred for faster performance. Display, choose a laptop with a comfortable screen size, 11 to 15 inches, and at least HD resolution, 1080p. Additionally, check for any student discounts or promotions available from retailers or manufacturers, which could help you get more value for your budget.
Thanks for all the information. Our drive is now completed, and I am going to go inside and purchase a new notebook.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy purchasing your new notebook, and I hope it serves you well for your school needs. Have a great day.
Bye.
Goodbye.